Hello and welcome to the last video in the GenAI Mindmap video series. In this video, I'll do a walkthrough of the final section of the Mindmap, which is deployment and LLMOps.
Here is the deployment section of the GenAI Mindmap. It is also labeled LLMOps, as GenAI brings some unique facets to the deployment part of the software development lifecycle, specifically to do with hosting and maintaining the LLMs involved. So the first question is, where is the model hosted? For that, you may choose a SaaS setup where you have a provider such as Amazon Bedrock or Azure, and you just use their LLM deployment. And there are those that just host single models, and there are some that make multiple models available. So you choose according to your use case. Sometimes for cost and privacy reasons, or when you have your own highly customized models, like you start with an open source model and train it yourself, you might choose to move to a self-hosted approach where you do your own on-prem or cloud deployment of your LLM. And then there are tools that facilitate this. Next, we consider model optimization. So when you host your own model, when you're starting with an open source model, fine-tuning it yourself, you may want to optimize it so that it takes up less memory. There are various techniques for this: model pruning, quantization, or distillation. The idea is to retain the performance of the model but make it smaller. And then the final branch is ops automation. So this includes, for example, automatic model monitoring, such as accuracy, safety, or load testing continuously, and these different tools and companies do that for you. And model updates, for which you have some services like SageMaker and Kubeflow, etc. So these are some GenAI specific deployment issues to consider. Remember that this area is fast evolving, so this isn't a comprehensive coverage of the area, but it gives an overview of the main areas and the main issues to consider.
This brings us to the end of the deployment section, as well as to the end of the Mindmap walkthrough video series. I hope you enjoyed and learned from these videos, and that you'll go and explore the map on your own. Thank you for watching.